Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Welcome everyone to Appliance Factory Mattress Kingdom. We are here in my laboratory, my kitchen. This is where I do a lot of research and development for new recipes. So when I go into our customers' homes for cooking classes after they've purchased a luxury kitchen package with us, that I can show them how to get the most out of the new appliances. And one of the questions I get a lot is, what do I need in a cutting board? What should I be looking for? I would say the general consensus is that most people use a cutting board that's far too small. Those little tiny cutting boards that are this big, that's really for cutting maybe fruit at the bar, and that's about it. And it doesn't even do a good job doing that. So I got a couple different sizes cutting boards here, some pros and cons. A cutting board that's got a trough, I like this for catching juice. So I typically have one of these that I only cut chicken or meat on. I clean it in the dishwasher. I like the trough for kind of catching juice. It's got a flat side. I do like the handle. So I always keep one or two of these kicking around in my kitchen at home and here in my prep kitchen as well for meat production. But that's really kind of all I use it for. You can get some color-coded cutting boards. Again, this is plastic. These plastic boards, I love them because they clean up real well in the dishwasher. This size works great. It will fit in a standard dishwasher. Downside, it can warp a little bit, maybe not sit flat, so you want to make sure that you put a towel down or a board mat, even just a dry towel, kind of hold it in place. Anyways, they have these color-coded, so green for veggies, blue for fish, red for meat. You can buy a color-coded set, or you can go to an appliance, a kitchen distributor like Standard Restaurant Supply. Here in Denver, that's at 64th and Federal. They've got all these. These are about 10, 12 bucks a piece, so really affordable. That's a great way to go. I like the size as well. It's a little bigger and it can kind of handle plenty of food. You can get a larger plastic one as well. These white ones do tend to show stains. You can bleach them clean if you want. A little bit bigger, again, you need a towel kind of hold it in place. But my favorite is a nice big wood cutting board. This is what I use not only at work, but I have a board like this at home as well. And you know what? I think the downside of a board like this is, where do you store it? Well, I'll tell you where to store it. You just leave it on your counter. Mine lives on my counter. I wipe it down, I soap it off when I'm done cooking with it. And what I love about a big board is that I don't need a bunch of little bowls for my prep, for my mise en place. So I can have a pile of onions, pile of mushrooms, a little garlic, my tomatoes, kind of just piled up here. And I can just scoot that right on the board. It makes cleanup a lot easier. And it's just part of my decor. So when you walk into my home, in my kitchen, there's my cutting board, there's my knife, and it's always right there, and it just looks great, and it just looks like it belongs. So wood is also the best surface for you keeping your knife nice and sharp. It's not going to dull your knife as you're running your knife across. I'd think the worst surface for cutting on would be glass. Glass will just destroy the edge of your blade. So I don't recommend a glass cutting board, or if you have a board made out of an old piece of countertop, like if it's marble or quartz, those are they're too hard of a surface. So you want something that has some give. So plastic or wood would be the best choice. So hopefully that answers the question, what kind of cutting board, what size, and what material is going to work best for me. My vote, large wood cutting board. Thanks for tuning in. This is Chef Mark with Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom. Make sure you like and subscribe.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.